Good morning guys! Today is our 14th day. Simula nung kaming nag-diet and then today is our second weigh-in day. Hindi ako makapaghintay. I'm very excited. But before that, I will going to give you a little bit a glimpse of how I look now after 14 days solid diet discipline and everything. So ito. So ayan guys, ito na yung ano na. So ayun guys, in just 2 weeks no, talagang nagbawas talaga ako ng solid na fats talaga na wala sa katawan ko, kaya ganun at ang na-notice ko din kahit nagbawas ako ng sobrang daming timbang in just 2 weeks, pero hindi pa rin siya sumasag yung skin ko. Siguro sa gamit ko din na skincare. Very easy lang naman, but I'm very surprised. Anyway, I'm so grateful and I will share to all of you guys, sa mga babae dyan, kung ano yung ginamit ko pala sa mukha. Kasi parang feeling ko talaga siya nagsag at nag-firm pa siya. So anyway, baba na tayo at prepare natin ating breakfast. Let's go! Good morning! Alright, today's breakfast is black currant apple flavor smoothie. So, isa kaya soka at isa sa akin, para sa akin. Ang akin ay gusto ko yung may lumps, kaya hindi ko siya i-blend. Kasi si Asoka gusto niya yung naka-blend talaga. So, I will just tear this and put directly to the bottle, shaker. And then Asoka ay ilagay ko siya sa blender. Ito trabaho dito sa bahay namin. May pinapatrabaho kami. Touch up. Alright. Good morning everyone. So today is the 14th day of our diet. So let's go and enjoy. Asoka. Hello. Let's go. Oh, yummy. Sayang natin ko. Marami pa. Happy breakfast. See, I'm going for a walk. Napakainit lang yan. Sobrang init na. Weigh-in day. Alas 12. Kaya gusto ng dalawang nito ay mag-walking. So sumama na lang din ako. At si Del ay on the way na din. Let's go. The gang. Complete.
I can't believe your friend returned the fish away.
Second weigh-in day.
First time.
Yeah.
This is my drinking credit card. See the balance?
Second weigh-in day. Excited? Ba't basa to? Baka ay, hindi pala.
Mabilis lang tumating.
Oo nga. Excited. Where's your paper? Oh, book. Okay. Today is the second weigh-in sa aming pagda-diet. Let's go!
Very bad yesterday.
Yeah, it was very bad yesterday. Yeah.
So I took a bit time. Wyatt, take out the Wyatt one.
I mean, we sweat a lot, so it's very wet.
Oh my goodness.
8, another 3 kilos.
82.3.
Oh my goodness. 82.3 from 90. Oh my God! Great job lang.
Huh? 85.3.
Grabe si Soka.
You don't think a book, you bring car. Not you bring a
Yeah, but also not super active like how it was last week.
Okay. But as long as you can see from your body changes, 1.5
Hold first,
You drop 1.5 another 5 seconds. Still. Yay! Done.
Done.
1.5.
5
darling.
far away.
1.5.
How many?
1.5.
1.5 kilo.
Go, Maya.
Time. But can really see be your weight loss. That is.
Sorry.
No one very hard for me.
Come on.
Okay.
Let's go. Go see what uncle doing with the swimming pool.
I can see lah, darling. This one fine already.
Yeah.
Last time it's like 2 layers. Drop your weight 600 grams.
It's okay.
Be like more stable, right? Okay. So the next thing we will look into your body fat percentage.
Body fat.
Okay. So woman is 20. So yeah.
Hello everybody! Tapos na yung weigh-in namin and I have lost 1.5 kilo! Woohoo! Very good! So all in all is 5 kilo in just 2 weeks, you know? Grabe! So meron pa kaming few more weeks. Can you imagine? Preparing my lunch, and Del also. What's your lunch, Be?
Shake.
Ayan, vanilla. Let's go. Shake, shake, shake. 1.5 kilo. Another 1.5 kilo down. Buti na yun kaysa wala. Napakahirap magbawas ng timbang. Diyos ko po. So happy. Wow, we are here at the cafe together. Guys, kape muna kami. Magpupunta ng gym for sauna. Let's go.
Can I have one bite?
Hi everyone, we are on the way to Hilton Hotel to use the gym. But we are crazy people. Naglakad lang kami papunta doon. Sobrang init. My God. Napaka-weird. Sinalalakad lang talaga namin. Crazy. Ah, mainit. Why? Hello everyone. No pain no gain. Kung kaya, just keep on moving. Huwag laging matulog at nakaupo. Kailangan go, go, go! Nice. Finally arrived here. Always your way to... Yeah. Looking for Ahsoka. There is Ahsoka. It's here. Okay, I think it is here. Tapos na kami dito sa gym. Punta na kami sa sauna. Sweat more. Grabe na yung pawisan dito. So we're so happy. Let's go down. She's also sweating a lot. Look at her. Getting skinnier. Woohoo! Kami ay talagang lahat pumapayat. So let's go. No pain, no gain. Kahit pagod ka man, go, go, go pa din. But also you have to listen to your body. Kung hindi talaga kaya, matulog ka, but mostly talaga, ano lang yan, parang tamad lang yan. So kailangan mong gumising talaga. Tapos mag-start ng exercise. And after 5 minutes, kapag naka-break ka na ng sweat, you'll be fine. Just like us. It's good. Sauna time. And I will take you to the steam with me. Oh, we cannot see. We cannot see. Okay, okay, okay. Now feeding our dog, Titan.
Sit. Stay.
sitting, waiting for
Stay.
the food.
Stay. Stay. Good boy. Good boy.
Good boy, Tarzan.
Sit. Stay.
Good.
Sayang, tayo.
Sayang, come. There, see, they like it.
Not the tail, not the tail, though.
Don't step.
No.
Come here, come. Stay.
Okay.
Okay, come. Give it to him. You bite from your.
Ahsoka's dinner, very clean. Tofu, spinach boiled, all boiled. Now this one no oil, so it's nice. Good night, everybody. Dinner is chocolate's crispy rice cereal. Hi guys, ang dinner ko, pollo. Kaya naman. Ay, napakasarap nito guys. Kaya huwag nating sayangin. Diyos ko po. Grabe. Have a great night everyone. 14th day and I have lost 1.5 kilo. Thank you so much. Bye guys. Keep healthy. Stay healthy. Bye. Kita ko na lang pala sa'yo. So guys, ready for his dinner too. Super healthy din yung food niya. Kasi hindi na siya kumain ng diet na to. It's because he already lost like 7 point something kilograms. So my goodness gracious. 7.7. It's almost 8 kilograms and he's becoming so skinny now again. Oh my goodness. This is your dinner. Super healthy. Alright. Oh my god, look at him. He's skinny na again. So we have to catch up, but eating very, very clean and healthy. Ooh. Busog ko talaga to. Not guys. Hello everyone. Dinner time. Let's go.